Hey guys, welcome to UnclaimedSOL.com. If you guys have been moving around Solana and other cryptocurrencies through and from your Phantom wallet or other crypto wallets, you might experience that, every now and then some Solana will get stuck. UnclaimedSOL.com, this app right here can help reclaim your lost or stuck SOL. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. This tool finds more claimable SOL by digging deeper. They also offer lower fees than the competitors. And there's a 25% referral reward if you guys refer your friends. Unclaimed SOL also pays all transaction and priority fees for their users. So let's check out their FAQ here. I'm pretty sure you guys want to know how this works. So you basically just connect your wallet and it will start scanning for claimable SOL. If it finds anything that is eligible, it will then retrieve that SOL and send it to your wallet. Unclaimed SOL is 100% safe to use and it will never ask for your secret key. And in case you guys are wondering, why should we use Unclaimed SOL over the competitors? Well, there's two main reasons. Unclaimed SOL digs deep, and they offer that generous 25% for referring others. And they also have a pretty reliable and responsive support team. So what we're going to try to do right now is actually try to find some unclaimed SOL. So I'm going to go ahead and click my Phantom wallet right here. And I actually have this account called Day Trading, and I currently have $10.04 in here. So this is about 0.07973 SOL. So what I'm going to do now is click on Start Claiming, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect my Phantom wallet, and it says that the wallet was connected successfully. So right now I'm going to just go ahead and check for rewards. So right now it's doing its thing, and it says, great news, I can claim this much Solana. So I'm going to click below to claim. One or more confirmations may be needed. So let's go ahead and claim this Solana. It says to confirm these transactions. So I'm going to click on advance here. And okay, closed account, unknown. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and click confirm and see what happens. And it seems to be doing its thing, processing. Keep an eye on wallet pop-ups for approvals. So we're just going to wait a minute and see if, all right, it says claim completed. Congratulations, your fund has, I missed that pop-up. Did you guys catch that? All right, let's see if we can pull it up on SolScan. Okay, so I'm over here on SolScan. I'm just going to go in here and connect my wallet, and it looks like we did have an increase here. So I'm just going to go in here on Day Trading, and I'm going to copy this address, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in the search bar right here and hit search. And this looks like my wallet because I still see the $11.07 right there. Okay. Pretty accurate. So I'm going to come here right here where it says balance changes, and I'm going to click on that. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. So Unclaimed SOL has just retrieved my lost Solana, and they can do the same for you. So after you guys have reclaimed your SOL, don't forget to spread the good word. Remember, there's a very generous referral program. 25% is actually the highest I've ever seen. So go up here to where it says refer a friend, click on that, and simply copy and paste your address. So I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to click on my Solana address. I'm going to copy it right here. And this link right here, this is the link that you guys are going to be sharing. Now, this is my information. So just make sure that you guys are copying your wallet address and you have your own referral link. Simply copy this link and put it on your social media. And one more thing, if you guys are pleased with the service, just remember to leave them some feedback. So click on the feedback button right here. My experience was great, so I'm just going to click 5 and I'm going to click rate. And you can type something like it worked, something like that, and wada bing, wada boom. You can also reach Unclaimed SOL on social media. So down here they have a Discord, they have an X formerly known as Twitter, and they also have a Telegram group. So I'm going to click on Telegram. I'm just going to open it in the web for now. And then I'm just going to click on where it says tap to verify. Come down here, click on start. Then I'm just going to click on verify right here. Come up here to this button, click here. Then this link right here, I'm just going to click on this link and I'm just going to join the group right here. And that's pretty much it. We are now in the claims group. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to reclaim your soul.